My name is Megan, and I'm a girl with very little building experience, but I decided to convert my SUV into this off-grid camper. Then I decided to film the whole thing, the ups, the downs, the learning curve, all of it. Welcome to part 4.
I'm currently building a saw guide because I only have access to a circular saw. I think I'm actually going to get a local lumberyard to just help cut me down some of the pieces to more manageable sizes. For the smaller ones, I'm just going to do on my own. And to help get them as straight as possible without breaking the bank, we're making a saw guide out of plywood. I'm about to go to Windsor Plywood. It's a local lumber yard to pick up 3 sheets of 1/2-inch birch plywood, 1 sheet of 1/4 inch. This is going to be all the wood I need to build my cabinet, kitchen sort of side of the cabinet, and the bed frame. I'm feeling really eager to get all of the wood right away. I might regret it if I get stuff cut and I end up sort of like having to change dimensions. I'm just hoping it all goes to plan. I've decided to measure the gear that I plan to put in this one portion of like my bed frame storage. Frame's about 2 feet wide. My bag, which is kind of the most cumbersome piece, is 25 inches. I'm gonna have that compartment be 25 inches. In this build, I've been so specific about where certain things will be stored and making sure that I have actual space for each thing I want to bring. Because when you're working with a small space, it's not very flexible. I'm pretty tired. It's like 9 o'clock now, but I planned on varnishing or getting a first coat on the wood for the bed frame so that it could be dry for tomorrow. I did take a break just to like eat dinner, and I was researching how to actually apply spar varnish. I don't know why. I'm not doing it the way that it's meant to be done. There's not gonna be enough coats. I don't have the right paintbrush. I'm not gonna thin it. I don't wanna go to the store, and I don't wanna wait. I just don't have the patience to do this right, and I feel like a lot of what I read, it's not related to a camper. It's for like an actual boat or like patio furniture, and it's woodworking and people that really want to do it right. So I'm just doing it the lazy way. This is all of the wood that I need to do before I can go to bed. Sorry to interrupt. This is actually Megan from the future, post finishing the camper, going on multiple trips in it now, and finally editing these videos for you. And it's been really fascinating watching these back because this was over a year ago now. And like the clip that just happened, like I can see how exhausted I was. Sometimes it was hard to watch. I know I was pushing myself so hard to get this done fast. I really wanted to get on the road, and I'm proud of how fast I was able to finish it, but I was also super stubborn. I wasn't accepting help from anyone because I just wanted to know that I could do it on my own, which I can. We've proven that, but that was so unnecessary. So I don't know, I think I just wanted to sort of bring that up with the knowledge that I have in hindsight, just knowing how much of a difference it would have made if I just went a little easier on myself, gave myself a few more breaks, and like, yeah, maybe didn't have as much time to travel in the summer, but enjoyed the process more. Like I still had a lot of fun, but you'll see in sort of the next coming clips, like I didn't pick up the camera as much, and I wasn't talking to the camera as much because I think during it I was just so focused on just getting things done. I'll let you get back to watching me build a bed, and I appreciate you being here. Enjoy the rest of the video.
safe. It keeps me from falling.